My name is Na Pasapaku, but you can call me Pasa or Prae. These are my nicknames. I am currently studying at Rangsit University International College, and this coming August, I will be a third-year student. I am from Myanmar, current state. Let's talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are reading novels, writing novel, and singing. So I created a Facebook page. It's about writing. Yeah, I am writing a novel now, and I have already uploaded four or three chapters. So you can go in and read it. My page is Read Me Current. Okay, you can go and search on Facebook. And I also have a YouTube channel that I uploaded my music, my songs, cover songs. Usually I would do covers more than my own songs because I'm a little bit busy, I can say that. I also like to listen to K-pop music, and I can say that I'm a big fan of K-pop. And my favorite group is BTS, and I am a big fan of BTS. I am an ARMY. Yay. And I hope I can help you as a team leader, because last semester I was a team leader as well. And nice to meet you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Woo!